Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a couple of sirloin tip steaks on the Weber Kettle. So let's get queuing. I have a couple of beef sirloin tip steaks that I pulled out of the freezer last night. These say Hat Creek grown, so I looked this up. It says Hat Creek Hereford Ranch and Campground. I live in Northern California, so that's about 4 or 5 hours north of from where I'm at. So anyway, these were $11.99 per pound, so $16.79 for these two steaks, but they were given to me, so I didn't have to pay for them. So anyway, let me get them out of the package and get them rinsed off here, and we'll season them up. Now I'm going to season these on both sides with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And while these are sitting there, I'll go get the grill lit. I'm using Royal Oak lump charcoal for this. I have a little bit left in my slow and sear here. This thing that holds the charcoal is called a slow and sear. That's been in the grill for about, I think about 3.5 years now. I really like that. It was sent to me by the Adrenaline Barbecue Company. Actually, I think they changed their name now. I think they're called S&S Grills now. They actually started manufacturing their own grills just recently. They just came out with those. So anyway, once this gets going, I'm going to reverse sear those steaks. So I'm just going to put them on the indirect side and bring them up to temperature slowly, and then do a quick sear on each side. It takes a little bit longer, but they usually come out pretty juicy that way. So as soon as the coals get going, we'll get them on there. My coals look pretty good. I didn't put very many in there because I don't want the fire to get too hot. I want to kind of bring the temperature up slowly, and then I'll probably turn the steaks over after maybe 15 minutes or so. And I'm shooting, I like my steaks cooked to about 130 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature, so I'll probably cook them, bring them up to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I'll sear them at the end. So we'll just get the lid on there for now. It's been about 15 minutes, and the grill temperature is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's take a look here, see what the internal temperature of my steak is here. Okay, it's about 95 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and turn these over now. And just get the lid back on, and once they hit about 120 degrees Fahrenheit, I'll sear them. My steaks have been on there for about 25 minutes total, so let's see how we're doing here. Let's check the internal temperature. It's about 114, 115 on that one, and we're at 117 on that one. So, you know, that is pretty close. I hate to overcook a steak. I would rather undercook a steak than overcook a steak. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and pull those off. And then I will let the coals kind of get going a little bit better and do a sear on them. Let me grab a glove here. I did this the other day. I grabbed the hot handle and that does not feel very good. So, all right, I'll get that over the coals and we'll sear those once the coals heat up a little bit. All right, my fire's heating up. Now we'll just sear these for about a minute or so on each side and we'll be done. It's been about a minute on that side. Let's flip these over now. Look pretty nice there. Oh yeah, really nice. I pulled these off, and let's see what the internal temperature is while they're resting here. 138 on that one, and about 138 on that one. So I might have overshot them just a little bit, but we'll cut into one and see how it looks. Let's cut one right down the middle and see how it looks here. Why don't you cut it right in half? All right. Well, that looks pretty good to me, actually. It looks nice and juicy. Anyway, see how it tastes. That's the most important thing. It's not very tender, but I didn't expect it to be. These cuts of steak are not usually very tender, but hey, I've still got a few teeth, so it's all good. Flavor is good. Let's see what Annie and Lucy think. I don't think they'll be complaining. Get in here, Lucy. There you go. They swallow it whole. They got better teeth than I do. That cut of steak can be a little tough, but it turned out pretty good. You definitely don't want to overcook it or it's going to be like leather. Anyway, free steak, so I'm not complaining. Thanks for watching. See you guys.